Dr. Mike Ainsworth, practicing family medicine and primary care at Adams Memorial Hospital in Decatur. What I like about being a doctor is, for me, the most part is the connections with the patients. You really feel like you become part of their family. You develop that rapport with them that really makes you feel like a part of the community, makes you feel important to the patients, and it does help you practice medicine better, I think, because you know your patients more on a personal level. Sometimes when I walk in the room, because I've known these patients for so long, I can tell just by looking at them something's up. And so just those connections that you make with the patients really makes it more personal and makes it mean more. What keeps me passionate about coming to work every day really is that relationship with the patients. I would also say I have a great staff in my office that I work with. Adams Memorial Hospital is really like one big family. We do work really well together, but day in and day out, it's the connections with the people that I see in the office. I think because of the size of the community, you do get to know people on a more personal level. You know what's happening in their personal lives outside of the office, and that does make a difference when you're making decisions. You sometimes get insight into patients that you might not always get as to what they're dealing with at home if you're in a bigger community and you just didn't have those connections. So I think that more personal nature that comes from being in a small community is really what makes the difference, and it makes your job a little bit easier. So I think what sets Adams apart from larger hospitals and bigger cities is really more the intimate nature of the relationships that you're going to have. When you need us, we're going to be there for you, and we're going to know you and your family, and we'll be more responsive to your needs, I think, in a quicker manner. You're not going to be a number in a room that they're just ready to get out the door. You're going to be part of our family here, and we take pride in treating people the way we would want to be treated and the way we'd want our families to be treated. So I think that's really what sets us apart. Why did I choose family medicine? Well, I'll be honest, I think it chose me. When I started med school, family medicine really wasn't on my radar of things to do, but I found when I was in med school, I enjoyed doing a variety of things, and my last rotation, my third year, was family medicine, and it clicked. Like, this is where I need to be. This fits me, my personality, and really what I envisioned doing. I think the rewards of treating children and families, especially the kids, is you get to really see them grow up. You have your own kids, or at least most of us do, and you get to see them, but you also feel like you've got a number of other kids that are really part of your family and your community, and to watch them grow up has really been an amazing part of life for me. It's been a lot of joy involved in seeing some of these kids grow up, seeing what they developed into as adults, and how they've started to raise their own families. I think what I would say to a mother or father or family looking for a primary care family physician is you can't go wrong finding someone here locally. They're going to be more attuned to your needs. They're going to be aware of the things that are going on in your community. They're going to be more involved in your community, and the accessibility that we'll have for your family, your kids to be seen, or even yourself will be here, and it'll be available. You will become part of the family, and we will want to treat you the way we would want our families treated. What brings me joy in my day-to-day life as a physician, just knowing that you've maybe made a positive impact on somebody that day. Maybe you made somebody laugh. Maybe you helped them through a difficult time. Maybe they've just lost a loved one, and you've made it a little bit easier on them. Those are the things that really make a big difference.